Hey there! Today, let's dive into the world of drawing and explore the unsung heroes of every masterpiece. The pencil and its colorful sidekick, the color pencil. Think about it. The pencil is like the backbone of any drawing. It starts with a simple graphite tool, allowing artists to sketch their ideas, outline shapes, and bring their vision into life. The beauty lies in its simplicity, a timeless instrument that has been a creative companion for centuries. Now, let's add a splash of vibrancy with the color pencil. These magical wands come in an array of hues, turning black and white sketches into vibrant, eye-catching artworks. With just a stroke, you can evoke emotions, create depth, and transform a plain canvas into a visual feast. Together, the pencil and color pencil form an artistic duo, laying the foundation for every drawing. Whether you are a seasoned artist or just starting, these humble tools empower your creativity. So next time you pick up a pencil, remember its role as the silent architect of your imagination. And when the colors come into play, witness the transformation unfold. Happy drawing!